automatic digital door lock. Great easy way to get in and out of your home. It does light up at night, I know, so you can see it when it is dark. It's got auto lock features, 20 programmable options. You can password reset, you can have a one-time access code. You can also have it where individuals have their own code to use. It has an auto lock feature you can turn on. You can also set it where you just press it for any 2 seconds and it can lock on its own, any button on its own. Another security feature is you can press multiple buttons, so if you have others around you, and then your code and more buttons, as long as your code is typed in, it'll still unlock. So really password protection, so they won't be able to watch you and see, which one is your door code. So ultra great, really easy to turn from the inside. It does take 4 AA batteries. Great easy install instructions. Zinc alloy and stainless steel material. It's super high quality. It also has a key if your battery dies, a key set so you can still get in if the batteries are dead. You can do auto lock anywhere from 10 to 99 seconds, which is ultra great, and you can press and hold for 2 seconds and it will lock. So I love it. I can't brag enough. It lights up in the nighttime. The buttons are easy to press. It's just an ultra great lock. You can press and hold for 2 seconds and it will lock as well. Such high quality. This is needed for any home, for any door. That you're going to absolutely love this. Easy install, easy to use. I can't brag enough and can't wait to show you how much we love this. It's the